Welcome to Microsoft Office Learning. Today we will learn how can we insert new slide, how can we duplicate slide, and how to delete slide within PowerPoint and shortcut to insert duplicate slide at the end of the video. Let's dive into video. For example, I have different slides. There are slides number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after second slide, if I want to insert brand new slide, so what I will do, I will press right click and new slide option. If you click this one, a brand new slide will be added after second slide. Control Z to go back. And second one is if I want to insert duplicate slide, if I want to replicate this same slide as my next slide, so what I will do, I will press duplicate slide and it will duplicate my second slide. Control Z to go back. What if I want to delete any slide? If I want to delete any slide, for example, if I want to delete third slide, I will press right click and then press delete slide and it will delete the slide from my all other slides. And at the end, what is the shortcut to insert duplicate slide? So if I want to duplicate this number third slide, so I will press Alt H I D and you can see the duplicate slide have been added after third slide. So this was a quick tutorial about insert slide, delete slide and shortcut to duplicate slide as well. Hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel.